quick video. So here is my Toyota Sienna 2022, whatever the first hybrid one, 2022, 21. Anyway, it's the fob. My wife got a battery warning. See how you take it apart. So first of all, you go back. There's a little thing over here. You push that. Now, fun fact about this, yeah, that's the key. That's how you like get in without like pushing buttons. If this battery completely dies, you need to get in the vehicle. Okay. Then what you do is you can just kind of use this as a lever. It's not that hard to do when you're off camera. Okay. Take it apart. Now this is the battery. This is a CR2450. An absolute unit of a battery, okay? What do I mean by an absolute unit of battery? So these all come apart. These all come apart like that. But you go in here. Try to do this on camera. Just gonna pry it apart. Anyway, like I said, it comes apart pretty easy, except when you're a little tough to do on camera. Anyway, so we go over to our vast collection of batteries over here, and here we go. So we've got 2450s. Just to understand, like, a typical fob tends to be a 2332. So here's the 2016. That's like one popular fob model, right? Let's see, like, what an absolute unit of this is compared to that. Okay, I just want to talk about what a unit of a battery this thing, okay? Or the one I just changed, 2032, which is actually, I just let my neighbor use mine. Anyway, you go on Amazon. You buy whatever, packs of these batteries. You'd be an absolute nut by me, like me. And you want to put it, and you usually, anytime you're doing this in a watch or a fob or whatever, you usually just want to put it like face down like this, okay? So you got that over there, right? And now my battery's good, so I'm not going to put this back. I'm going to take this out now, whatever. And then I'm just going to go over here. And then I'm going to walk over and like, oh, I can't test it. Anyway. But that's how you do that, right? And you put that back in there. And then that whole thing just slides right in there. Okay, real simple. And this probably applies to like similar Toyotas, like that have like this fancy fob, even not just the Sienna, of course. But you know, that's the fob I have at hand. I had a Highlander, similar model, 2018, similar process. Thanks for watching.